Hi guys, this is Reina and I'm so excited to review this skincare product range by Madeca Derma. These are just so great. This is like one of those few brands that I just really enjoy using, and the best part is you can see results after just one night's use. It's crazy. So the first thing I'm going to review is actually this. This is the pure cotton sheet mask for fresh, youthful looking skin. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is actually the sheet mask itself. So it has this like really creamy looking essence all around it, and it's quite thick, so you won't have this like problem of trying to unravel it. And I always love to put it in the fridge before I apply it. So this is a mask on my face. It's reasonably easy to apply. In terms of fit, I would say it's really okay. One thing that I do have to say about this mask is that you do have a little bit of serum left, but not too much. I'm just squeezing all of it out. So this is the consistency of the serum. So it's really very lotion-like, and it's not sticky or anything like that. In fact, I really like the texture. So it says in the information card that this is very good for dry, dull skin. Now I've been using, this is like my fourth mask. I got a pack of 10s and I've been using it for quite a while, and I do say that it is really good if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, maybe it's a little bit too much. I feel like the whole range is a little bit too much if you have oily skin. So I am gonna leave this in for about 10 to 15 minutes and we're gonna move on to the next step. So next on the list is the Revitalizing Serum. So it is to recharge, replenish, and revitalize tired skin. And here's the thing, this is super thick. So I would say 3 or 4 drops would be more than enough for your entire face. So the texture of this is really interesting because do you guys see that? It's really slimy. I don't know how else to explain it, but see? So it is a really interesting texture. It's something very new to me. I've never ever used a product like this before. So when I tap it, it just like literally comes in and out, in and out. It's so weird. But what I can say is that I freaking love this. I genuinely love this because I have normal combination skin, so I can use this at night, and when I wake up, guys, when I wake up, I'm just like this glowing version of me, and I freaking love it. So this is one of those products that like changed my life. Like after the first use, I noticed it immediately, and this is just like after only a week of application. I usually have like these little dots. I don't know if it's pigmentation, but it's like little bumpy dots here, and it's just gone. And when I consulted some people like dermatologists, they actually told me that I have to laser it off. I don't. I just have to use this. Once it's reasonably absorbed into your skin, we go for step 3, which is the Revitalizing Cream. It's used to moisturize and soothe sensitive, dry skin. And that is enough. In terms of fragrance for all of them, it's quite, not to say strong, but you can definitely smell it. But I love the smell. I honestly do. Put it all over your skin. I'm gonna pat it in. Another thing about this cream is that I tried to use it on its own during the day just to see whether there's something in the line that I can use during the day. And again, honest opinion, no formulations, especially if you have oily skin. It's just too much. I tried to do it and go out and put makeup on it. It just feels as if it's not on a good foundation. So I really suggest you just use it at night, and that is that. And it works so well, and I personally just pair it with another K-beauty product, and it's just amazing. So this is a finished, no makeup, no nothing. It's just this really nice glowy, dewy look that I just love so much, and your skin tomorrow will feel so plump, so juicy, so good. I hope that you guys like this review. This is like really one of those reviews that I'm really excited to share with you guys, and I will tag the brand and also where you can get it in Malaysia, and I'll see you guys next time.